Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Monday, January 28th, 2019. And I just posted a signal for EURGBP right here, Euro Great British Pound, as a sell. Okay, and you can sell, but if you look at the chart, we see we have a blue histogram, meaning that we're forming an uptrend, and it's already gone up and down like this, right? So it's hit this level of resistance and actually went a little bit higher, broke through just slightly. Alright, so what I think is that this is going to be going up and down, but eventually it's going to be going up much higher. Okay, so right now what's going to happen with this is that it is going to drop a little ways and then bounce off a level of support and shoot up even further. Okay, that is what I predict. If you look at the H4, okay, if we look at the 4-hour chart, we see that all we have is a green arrow and a blue histogram. Alright, so this is definitely going into an uptrend. It's going to be going up for a long term, okay? And I know both these currency pairs have been fighting one another, and the euro has been the strongest of the two currencies lately. Doesn't mean it's going to continue that way, but it looks like for the next week or so, I think the euro is going to be beating out the Great British Pound. It's going to be gaining over the pound. So you should see this pair shooting up even more. Alright, it's not a guarantee, of course, but based on what you're seeing right here, it is definitely going to be going up. So what I would do in this case, you can place a sell if you want to, but it might retrace and go up even further. I would place a buy limit pending order. Okay, now where do you place the buy limit pending order? So if we zoom in a little bit, we see that we had this area right here of consolidation. Alright, this was like a resistance, and then finally it broke through that and kept going up even further, right? Kept shooting up further. But this area of consolidation, I think, is going to be a support level that this is going to bounce off of. That's what I'm projecting. So what I like to do is draw a horizontal line right here, okay? And with this horizontal line, we're going to base this on our support level here in the future, where this is going to bounce off of. So I want to use this to place my buy limit pending order. And all I have to do is simply go to new order and then go down here where it says market execution. Okay, it'll say market execution right here, and come down here and the drop down is like pending order, and then make sure you have buy limit checked right here. It should be checked by default. Alright, it's the first thing that pops up, and then right here in this box you want to put that price over here in the red color, alright, where your horizontal line is, and this is right, just happens to be 0.86547, okay, and take profit. I can put close to where the price is right now. I would just say about 0.86, say 800, make it even 0.86800. Alright, that'll give me a few hundred pips. If we place this trade, okay, we see, give me a second, okay, we see that it placed a pending order. If I remove this horizontal line, if I go to object list here and I delete this horizontal line, we'll see my buy limit pending order on this green dashed dotted line, right? And then this red line is the take profit, and this is 253 pips, you know, in this particular example I'm showing, which is good. Now it probably, I feel, you know, without a shadow of a doubt, that's going to go much further than this. But, you know, this is plenty right here. If I can get this amount of pips, I'm happy. Now, what happens, like right now, at this present point in time, it's going up a little bit further, all right, than where, where it was when I first started this video. All right, it's shooting up a little bit more. You can see it. It's gradually shooting up. What happens if it keeps shooting up more and more and more? And it has happened in the past. All you have to do is take this right here, and it says drag to modify, and just hold your mouse button down, and then drag this further up. Okay. Make sure you have an up and down arrow like this. Click on your mouse button, and then drag it up like that. All right. And then, eventually this is going to drop. And that we know for sure. At what point, we don't know. The next couple hours. So eventually it's going to drop and hit this and then bounce back up again. So I would put it either here or right about here. I would put it like right about there, I guess. It could, there's kind of like a level of resistance right here, a very weak area of resistance right here. It could bounce off of that, but I don't know if exactly. But I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to come back in an hour or two and just kind of see, see what's going on with this. Okay. So this is how I would trade this particular type of signal. Yes, you can place a sell trade, or even a sell stop pending order and catch 50 pips or whatever. But why take that risk? All right. We want to trade with a bigger trend. Follow the bigger trend. Okay. So we see this is going to be going up in the long run. So just make sure you place some buy trades only. Either buy limit or buy stop pending orders, however you want to do it. But this is how I would trade, this particular type of signal. Okay? So if you have any questions, please, reach out to me on Facebook and let me know. I'll be happy to help you with this or any of my other signals. I've only posted 3 today because the market's real slow. But if you have any questions about any of my other signals, just contact me and let me know. And I'd be more than happy to try to help you, okay? We'll try to, see if we can pinpoint a good, entry point and a good exit strategy, okay? So just let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. There's a link below in the description of this video from my private Facebook if you want to contact me, or you can contact me through my Facebook group, and you can post any questions or comments there. There is a link in the description of this video for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so, and I'll be happy to help you, or other traders can assist you as well. Okay? And if you have not joined my Telegram signal group, please contact me so that I can get you signed up for that as well. Okay? So with that said, I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.